Today is freaking raining from the morning before I woke up even. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I felt like vlogging today the entire day because today is Thursday. I just woke up now, as you have seen, and brushed, did a little bit of morning routine. It's just not a morning routine, it's just a toner and a lip balm. I do that only, and then I eat, and then I start with the rest of the process. Let's just make breakfast. So guys, I have made the breakfast. I'm gonna show you what it is that I religiously eat on breakfast. Actually, that I need in breakfast to start my morning, unless it's not a morning. So it's basically chickpea and curd. I'm just gonna eat it because I'm really hungry, and then I'll talk to you guys.
I'm making a vlog today. A day in my life. You want to get introduced?
But I have one more class.
Complete your classes.
Yeah.
Then
One more class left.
complete your classes, take a shower, and then we will play. Okay. I have to organize everything. I have to clean up my mess.
My mom told me.
What?
Mom, you were making a video.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, honey.
Hi guys, so I just now finished eating, and today's plan is to first of all, I didn't plan for doing a day in my life. So, and today I just woke up in the morning and I felt like let's do a vlog. I haven't vlogged for ages. I have been able to manage cluttering my room for 1 month now. If I make you guys see around my room, you will just get shocked. Everywhere my stuff is all around. May this vlog makes me do it. Now that I think of, if I have to make a day in my life, I should have done it yesterday. I have really done a lot of things. Like yesterday I had a freaking pampering sesh. You can see my hair. I just had my spa. I put on mask, then massaged my hair and everything, shampoo, oil, serum, conditioner, every step. And in fact, I had a cleanup sesh also for my skin. That's why I was keeping my skin routine really low today. So yesterday was really a thing for my skin. I should have vlogged yesterday. That would be a really cool thing to show. So okay, so today is a cleaning day. Let me just clean the room. I'll start it after 5 minutes of taking a break. This happens in the morning. I am so slow and lazy in the morning. I don't know why. I feel like I'm still sleeping. I need my morning tea right now. After that, I'll get pumped up. I need green tea. Let me just tell mommy. I'm just gonna play some music and roll for the day. I'm just searching for a good song through my playlist in Spotify. Let's just play Skinny Love. I love this song. I'm having a kind of mood to listen to slow songs today, so let's just see Skinny Love. So yep, and I'm just now making a end screen because I got bored with the one I'm having. If you want to make a end screen or any thumbnail, you can go to canva.com and just create one. It's a really good app, and I'm just checking through my analytics. So yep, that's it. And even I want to show you guys something. If you are here for the first time, or anyways, I'm gonna show you because I am really excited about it. Yeah, this one I'm just gonna want to show you guys. I made this channel art yesterday at night, so I'm just freaking excited about this channel art. I love this channel art. Oh my god, look at these. I'm just get excited about little things that I able to do, and that should be okay, I feel. I'm just gonna stop talking and do my end screen, otherwise I won't be able to then clean up my room. Also guys, that Serial Kisser lip balm is kind of good. See my lips, it's still greasy and moisturized. I put up that. That's just my sister doing her usual stuff. Okay, so I just put up in the morning, as you have seen, and it's still kind of glossy and moisturized. So go ahead and buy this one. This is really good. I got it for 104 rupees. And yeah, I'm just gonna do my work now. Ta-da! So I finished making end screen, which will come up from now after every video. So guys, check out till the end this video. You'll be able to see this. You'll understand what I've done. Hi guys, so I was just working and doing my stuff. I just put on the camera just in the middle of my work, just because I wanted to show you guys what I had to go through in my daily life. What are the things that I have to face, and it's kind of entertaining, but it's also
I'm already doing it.
Don't talk when I'm talking.
Sorry for interrupting your video.
I just told you guys. I want to show you guys what is happening in my room right now. Let me introduce you to my little sister, and you have seen her in one of my vlog. But see what she is doing right now. What are you doing?
I am jotting the floor.
Jotting the floor. What is this costume? This thing?
This?
Yes.
This is my DIY scarf. I was
DIY scarf. Oh my goodness. I just now changed and had a shower, tied up my hair so that I can, start organizing my room, cleaning up my mess. And yep, I just put a lipstick, the one which I didn't put in my last video. This is the chai shade. Go watch my last video. I'll be linking it here. So yeah. Okay, let me take you through all the messes I have, which I need to clean. My room is really a mess. Everything I have to clean up. This bag is full of makeup. This is skincare, and there are also some other skincare products lying there. There is makeup. So this is my main tripod, which I use generally for my main shoot. And yep, I eat in this stool, my laptop, and this has just fallen off from here. I need to fix this thing. I also should show you guys this. This is my general video backdrop, and I have made this one recently, and all the paintings are hand painted by me. This pile of clothes I have to put in my cupboard, and yeah, a lot of work, as well as there are a lot of skincare products which I need to clean up. So yep, and this is me. Let's start. Okay, so guys, in the middle of everything, I just want to show you guys that I have recycled these packets. Like, these are face wash and toner packets. I have recycled them. Instead of throwing these away, you can use them to store brushes. It just fits perfectly there. So I just take it out and do my makeups and all, and then store it here. It's kind of good. I feel like just keeping brushes open will attract all those germs and all, and you will get more acne and everything. I store it here. Also, I just want you guys to see this. These are few makeup products gifted by my very special friend Show Me. So if you are watching this, hi. And so I just want to say thank you to her. She just sent me these as a friendship day gift, which is very precious for me. So yeah, and this is a very nice blush. I have used it. I'll do some tutorial with this blush. So Show Me, if you are watching this. Okay, so this is becoming more of a product review video other than a vlog. But sorry guys, I promise you this is the last product I really want to share. I guess you won't get it online, but I don't know actually. This is a local product. This is basically a body talcum powder for if you have skin irritation or something like that. Acne or something that you get around the neck region or at the back when there is extreme heat. It works like wonders for those cases. I always apply this before going to bed. Even if I don't have anything, I just apply it and I feel so fresh and everything. This is medicated body talcum powder. This is from Akanksha Romancho. You can see this. This is a really, really great product. Okay, I'm not gonna bore you with everything. area is kind of clean, laptops and tripods. So these will be here because this is kind of my working area. I'll shoot here and edit here sometimes. The dressing table is properly cleaned. I generally put my skincare products I use here. Here I keep my makeup. And here I generally have those which are, you know, I haven't started using it or I have emptied it, or basically all the things I need for the video, upcoming videos and all, I keep it here. And yep, that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you one thing. This is the top. I don't know where will I wear it. I just got it because it was a trend. This is the, you know, this is something people don't talk about actually. People wear trendy clothes and what happens to those clothes after the trend goes away? It becomes a problem. So, yeah, have to deal with it if you wear a trendy clothes. So guys, I just finished cleaning up my wardrobe. As you can see right behind me, it's completely finished. This is now evening time and I generally come to see the sunsets, and I'm here in my balcony. This is my little sister and she'll be going to do my makeup today, but no lipstick and no mascara, remember. I guess she will be, you know, going around with eyeshadows because that attracts her.
And blush.
Oh my goodness. Okay, yep. And that, because that is the colorful thing and that attracts her the most. This bag goes to her now. And you have got maximum 10 minutes to do it. Then I have to remove my makeup and, you know, relax because I'm really tired right now. What are you using?
Pink.
You have to explain them. They are watching you. Explain it like I do.
Okay.
Then do it. Whatever you want to do, it's your time.
Okay.
You need to see, yeah. This is the camera. You don't see in the screen. See in the camera. People are watching you. People are here in this area. Okay.
Alright, then this golden color. A little bit. I took a little bit.
It will make my eyes really sparkly. Are you sure?
Yes.
What is this makeup look you are going for today? Name the makeup look. What is the makeup look?
This is a shiny purple pink makeup.
Oh, shiny purple
Pink.
makeup she is going for.
There will be more colors.
Okay,
But
but
I don't
this is the name of the makeup look, guys. Take notes. She is the actual makeup artist of this
Yes.
channel.
See? Over there.
Oh,
That's cool. Alright, this brush I use this.
now this is the brush she will be using for blending
Mm,
or putting another color.
blending.
Blending.
You don't need the palette right now.
You don't need the palette right now. What you are doing here? Blush.
No.
Then I should get a punch. Then it will happen.
Like the same color at a time.
Guys, those of you can relate, having any siblings, comment down below please.
And
By the way guys, how's my nails are looking? I just painted it white. How is it?
nice.
Nice. You just told gorgeous yesterday.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
it's gorgeous.
Either nice or gorgeous. Which one?
Gorgeous.
No. So guys, this is the makeup look, guys. Hi guys. So it's kind of around 7 or 7:30 p.m. right now, and I think I should end this vlog. I need to remove this what she has done, and you know, get to editing this video because this will go up tomorrow. So I'm gonna end this video right now here. So take care. I'll meet you guys on next Tuesday. Until then, be happy and bye.